my grandmother's house. Here's her Armstrong Air conditioner. I filmed this unit before, but that footage was lost. I filmed this before in the summer. I got startup and shut down, everything like that. Yep, but all that footage was lost. It's winter today. It's January 7th or something. But yep, here's an Armstrong Air conditioner. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor and an Emerson fan motor. It is a straight cool unit. Suction line. There is the data. Just a minute while I go back there and read that because it's kind of awfully tight. It is a 2-ton from 2008. 2008 2-ton. Okay, it's not been running. Furnace is on. I'll make another video on the furnace. But yep, here's an Armstrong Air conditioner. 2008 2-ton. Straight cool Copeland scroll compressor. And here's her neighbor's air conditioner. That will be a separate video. No, these are not dual zone. This is for her house. She lives in a condo. This is for her house, and this is her neighbor's. So these are not dual zone units. Out. Actually, I'm going to show the furnace in the same video. Here is the Armstrong Air furnace. Oh, it just turned off. Looks to be an Armstrong Air Advantage series. 92% efficiency. Nice. There's a suction line. And there's the water heater. Water heater. Yep, there's the furnace. This is a straight cool air conditioner system, gas furnace. This is a gas furnace. So yep, hope you enjoyed. Armstrong Air furnace and air conditioner at my grandmother's house. Out.